Welcome back to Simplified Finance. May isang investment na I always share sa mga videos ko. Guaranteed, low risk, tax-free, at perfect para sa savings. Whether you're an OFW or nasa Pilipinas ka, goods na goods ito for you. And yes, I'm talking about this, the Pag-ibig MP2. The best part? You don't need to be a finance expert to start, basta Pag-ibig member ka lang. Today, I'll show you how to register for Pag-ibig MP2 and how to deposit your money step by step. Madali lang, promise. Okay, let's start. How to register for Pag-ibig MP2? Step number 1, prepare your Pag-ibig MID number. Bago tayo magsisimula, siguraduhin mo ang ready na ang Pag-ibig number mo. Wala ka pa nito? No worries. You can get it from the Pag-ibig website or visit the nearest branch. Share ko sa inyo sa dulo ng video na to paano yung gagawin. Step number 2, go to the Pag-ibig MP2 registration page. Open your browser. Visit www.pagibigfund.gov.ph. Then click e-services. Then click Pag-ibig MP2 online enrollment. Dito ka mag-enroll ng account mo and una mong gagawin, mapupunta ka sa part ng page nila kung saan sasabihin sa'yo ano yung mga kailangan mo before you can proceed. So I'll show it in the screen right now. So tingnan nyo po ito nasa listahan. If lahat po yan, meron na kayo, okay ka na. Tick the checkbox and click proceed. Step number 3. Validate your Pag-ibig membership ID. Enter your Pag-ibig MID number, last name, first name, and birth date. And of course, click mo yung submit. Step number 4, choose your MP2 options. Pagdating sa options, you need to decide on these two. Dividend payout. Gusto mo bang annual dividends or compounded siya? Meaning 5 years later bago ibibigay. Mas okay pagka kailangan mo ng cash flow, go for annual dividend. Pero kung okay lang sa'yo mag-antay up to 5 years, go for compounded. Mas malaki po yung kikitain nung iyong Pag-ibig MP2. Second is monthly savings. Magkano ang kaya mong i-invest regularly? Kahit 500 pesos lang yan, pwede na. If you want, you can just increase it to 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. Call nyo na po yun. Mode of payment. Pili ka lang kung salary deduction ba siya, over the counter, or through any accredited Pag-ibig collection partners. Marami po yan. Napakadali naman sa GCash lang. For source of funds, choose the best option na applicable sa inyo. Step number 5, submit and save your MP2 account number. So once you click submit, bibigyan ka na ng MP2 account number. Ito na yung gagamitin mo. Tuwing magde-deposit ka, just make sure you screenshot or write it down. So important ito kasi nga yan talaga yung pinaka-basis saan pupunta yung fund mo. So once saved, consider it na you now have an MP2 account. Congratulations! So next part na tayo. Now we've created your account, we need to determine how to deposit money into your MP2 fund. Guys, you can do this online or maybe you can do it sa Bangko Diretso. But here's the tip. Now that you're registered, let's move on to the fun part. Paano ka magde-deposit? Here are 3 easy options na pwede mong piliin. Over the counter sa Pag-ibig branch. Punta ka lang doon kung saan man Pag-ibig branch malapit ka. Then, you fill out the MP2 savings form. Don't forget, meron kang account number ng MP2 mo kasi ilalagay mo po siya doon. Ibigay ang form at cash sa teller, kahit 500 pesos lang yan. Yun kasi yung minimum deposit. Okay na yun. Tapos na. Siguraduhin mong itago mo ang resibo mo as proof of your payment para ma-double check mo sa online Pag-ibig MP2 kung nag-reflect na po yung iyong deposit. Option 2, through online banking. So napakadaming bangko na may online banking. Kung mas gusto mo na hassle-free na transaction, mag-online banking ka. Log into your account banking app like maybe BPI, Metrobank, Union Bank, BDO, lahat na po ng bangko dyan, Bank of Commerce. Go to Bills Payment section. Choose Pag-ibig Fund as the biller. Enter your MP2 account number, payment amount, your full name, and of course, confirm, submit the payment. Siyempre, meron po yung OTP. Make sure nyo po tama po yung account number na inalagay nyo po doon. Within a few hours, makikita mo na ang payment mo sa Pag-ibig system. If not, you just need to double check the next day or the next 2 days. Quick tip lang po, kapag hindi nyo pa nakikita naka-reflect siya sa Pag-ibig system, you can actually call the Pag-ibig. Meron po siya mga hotlines na makikita mo sa website nila or visit them at their nearest Pag-ibig branch. Option number 3, e-wallets like GCash or Maya. Kasi kung GCash ka or Maya user ka, pwede rin magamit ito to pay your Pag-ibig MP2. So for GCash, open your GCash app, go to Bills Payment, Government, Pag-ibig Fund. Select pa MP2 Savings and enter your details, MP2 account number, ulitin ko, importante yun ha. Payment amount, minimum 500 pesos, your full name, and of course, double check yung mga information na nilagay mo, and then click confirm. Option number 4, through the Pag-ibig MP2 account, open your browser sa desktop or laptop, log into your MP2 account doon po sa kanyang MP2 online, click Pay Online, click MP2 Savings, fill up the rest of the details needed, choose either Maya or GCash, tapos open your Maya or GCash app, pay through the QR code na ma-generate dun sa page, scan the QR code na binigay ni MP2. Ang dali-dali lang, di ba? Sobrang doable. In just a few taps, na ipasok mo na ang savings mo sa MP2. Simple lang, di ba? With Pag-ibig MP2, you're not just saving, you're investing for your future or sa future ng family mo. Depende po yun sa purpose na sinet mo sa paggawa mo ng Pag-ibig MP2. Sobrang safe for my personal opinion. Average dividends yan is 5 to 7% per annum, better than most traditional banks. And pwede mo pa makuha ang compounded po yan kapag 5 years yung pinili mong option. Remember, every peso you save today will grow into something bigger tomorrow. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips to make the most out of your finances. JM Ang out!